Hello to all traders and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're just looking to see the path of gold for the next few days, especially with the Federal Reserve interest rate decision coming up very shortly on Wednesday. This is bound to have an impact on a lot of the markets at the moment. We're seeing the dollar starting to lose momentum while gold is gaining a little bit of momentum after dropping from its record high of over $100 in the past few sessions. So is that going to have any adverse bearing on where we're going to see the Fed having possibly another hold at their interest rate? A lot of bets are on September's meeting where they probably will start cutting their rate, currently at 5.5% at the moment, but we're just waiting to see what's going to happen in the near term as well. It's very exciting stuff, especially if you take into account that oil as well, which we're going to be looking at shortly, has taken quite a big dip due to China's demand as well, and also Goldman Sachs looking at growth for the rest of the year, giving a bit of a negativity rating for the black gold, and it's seen that we have seen a few dollars shaved off the price action. But let's get right into the charts at the moment. So gold, as I said, having quite a dramatic sell-off since we hit this peak. Let's bring it on the daily chart actually, just to show you where we're looking at in the whole spectrum. So as you can see here, we did correctly predict that we were going to have this third record high, and it hasn't really gone anywhere else apart from that. But as you can see here, from history repeating itself, since we saw the peaks, we've seen sell-offs, another sell-off, and guess what, we're having another sell-off at the moment. So don't be surprised if we do get a pickup and start moving higher, especially if the Fed does start giving more signals about rate cuts, which will bring the dollar a little bit lower as well. Not too many divergences on the RSI to sink our teeth into to give us the next signal. So it's all about the Fed's interest rate decision, which is the next big talking point. And as I said, that's coming up tomorrow evening, depending on where you are in the world. Obviously they bring out the interest rate decision and the press conference straight after, so that'll be American time in the morning. So wherever you are in the world, just keep an eye out for that as well. Let's just take a quick look at oil as well. Like I said, we had such a big sell-off in the markets, and we did see this bottom not so long ago, just at the beginning of June. Picked up nicely, roughly about a $10 move to the upside, but as you can see now, we're doing this V-shaped recovery for bears at least to the downside, and we are now looking at the favorable next support, which will be roughly about 72, 73, $74, something like that. So if we do break these particular levels, expect more of a decline in oil as well. But if we look on the intraday chart, very bearish at the moment, just waiting to see where the next move will be. But as I said, we've got China's discontent for oil, and we've also got growth outlook for oil not looking too good for the rest of the year, apparently from Goldman Sachs. So big talkers in the market. Obviously they do move the market quite significantly most of the time, so this is what's looking likely for the next few sessions. So let me know what you're trading on. Are you trading on any big commodity, gold, oil, silver, any of the precious metals, anything out there that you'd like me to have a look at in the next few trading sessions? Let me know. And don't forget the big news of the NFP data coming up on Friday as well. So quite a lot to take into account this week. Lots of volatility in the market, should be good for trading, and obviously more exciting for where the market direction will be going for the next few months until the end of the year. So until next time, thank you for joining me, and trade responsibly. Bye for now.